Hi, this is Cedric, and today I want to introduce you my bot to enter the Unicrypt pre-sales with the multi-wallet system. So the bot is really a bit special because, as you know, on Unicrypt, you need to hold 3 UNCX to enter the pre-sale. So that's a good thing because usually the pre-sale are better quality than DXL. But it can be a bit expensive to hold 3 UNCX on each wallet if you want to enter with multiple wallets. So I built this bot to enter the pre-sale very fast, even on the high pre-sale, just like my DXL bot. But with the Unicrypt version, you will need to hold only 3 UNCX for the whole wallet. For example, for this video, I will enter with 3 wallets and I hold only 3 UNCX. I will show you exactly how. So first thing, I have to edit my address file. So here I have 3 addresses. I have my first wallet here where I hold the UNCX, and I have 2 other wallets where I don't hold UNCX. So we can check also in my MetaMask. The first wallet is FB9. So, but there is this one is 888 first. So this one you can see there is no UNCX, so it's here. Voila, the 888, it will be my third wallet. And the FB9, it's this one, I think, yes, FB9, and here I have my 3 UNCX. Okay, so now I have my 3 wallets set up in my file. I want to buy 0.01 BNB on each wallet. So I just have to save the file, close it, and then launch the bot. So I will relaunch it. I launch the program, I select mainnet. Okay, so now the bot will read all my wallet list. So it will read the amount I want to buy and the current balance of the wallet. So now in the action we can snap the pre-sale in multi-threaded mode. So the multi-threaded mode is more faster, but the problem is you need to hold 3 UNCX for each wallet. And now there is the revolution, is the snipe pre-sale with the chained method. This is the one we will do now. So I press 2 and I enter the pre-sale contract address. So the pre-sale contract address, you can take it here from the URL. Up, copy paste, enter, and now you will see the magic. The bot will execute all the transaction, then sending the UNCX to the next wallet, transferred, OK, and now it will enter the pre-sale with the next wallet, success, transferring to the next wallet again. You see, oh, it just changed here. It just say I bought Doga, and here, that's all. It's finished. All transaction completed. Good job. So you see how easy it is. You just have to launch the bot, select the method you want, paste the address, and the transactions are quite fast actually. So in this session, I entered with my 3 wallets, so we can check also in the MetaMask. I will do it a bit later in BSC scan, and you can verify I really entered my 3 wallets and I bought 1,200,000,000 Doga with my 3 wallets. So you see how easy it is. There is other function like claim tokens. So after the pre-sale, you can claim the tokens automatically with all the wallets. So it will be more easy to sell. Alright. So let's check now all the transactions. So I will check here this wallet, BSC scan here. I will also check my other wallet, this one, F0C. Here, BSC scan, and the 888. Yeah, the 888 is missing. Where it is. Here, 888. So now you can see also my 3 UNCX are in my last wallet. The move from the first one to the last one. And I can open here. So what happened in my first wallet? I bought here the pre-sale 0.01, then I transferred the 3 UNCX to the second wallet. Here, same, I bought here 0.01 1 minute ago, and then I transferred the UNCX token on the third wallet, and here I bought the 0.01, and there is no more transfer because the 3 UNCX are held in the third wallet. You can check here, we can check the transaction. So it's a user deposit method. So this is the method to buy the pre-sale on UNCX. So here we can check I bought here this amount. We can also check with other accounts. Here I also bought 1,200,000,000. So I entered with my 3 wallets. Voilà, so if you have any question, you can contact me. You can see here my Discord ID, my Telegram ID. It will be also in the description. Please subscribe this channel because you will always have new good stuff, new good bots, very useful for many platforms. Like the video, comment and share. Thank you for watching and bye bye.